Multiplying and dividing functions. H of x is equals to 9x. G of x is equals to 4x plus 2. Find h times g of 4. So we have the solution. H times g of 4 is equals to h of 4 times g of 4 equals h, substitute w of x with 4, we have 9 times 4 times g of x, w of x is 4, so we have 4 times 4 plus 2 equals, so we have 9 times 4 is 36 times 16 plus 2 equals 36 times 18 is equals to 36 times 18 is equals to 648. This is the answer. Number 2, h of x is equals to 3x. G of x is equals to 6x plus 4. Find h times g of 3. Comment your answer.